This is the season for saving. Jcpenney's Black Friday deals are here. They have so many amazing deals in jewelry. You guys have like the prettiest jewelry, and they also have these little boxes that you guys can use as gift set. And let's not talk about the fashion deals. They have great amount of deals there for Black Friday, and my favorite, home decor. So many great deals for your home as well, from small appliances, everything you need to finish your holiday shopping. Check the description box to check out the Black Friday deals from Jcpenney, or head to your local store and start shopping early, you guys, so you guys can grab all the good deals. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video is sponsored by Jcpenney. I'm going to be sharing with you my haul, everything that I got from their Black Friday deals. You guys, they have so many amazing deals at great prices, all the way from fashion to home. You can find it all. So if you're shopping for yourself, for your home, or even for holiday gift, Jcpenney is going to be your one-stop shop this year. So let me stop talking and let me share with you all the items that I got for under $300 to help me prep for the holiday season. I love to host, and I got items that will make hosting easy this year. So let's begin the haul with the first item here, which is a rice cooker. I honestly just needed a rice cooker so bad because my old one broke, and this one is from the brand Cooks, and it was at such a good price. And this one does 14 cups of rice, which is perfect for our family and even when we have company. The next item, which I am beyond excited, is this movie kit, and it comes with everything you need to do outdoor movies, or you could even use it inside, but I'm looking forward to do like Christmas movies outdoor this season because the weather would hopefully get a little bit nicer here in Florida. So this is a pop-up movie theater kit, and it comes with everything you need: the speaker, the projector, and the screen. And you won't believe the price, and it's on Black Friday deal at Jcpenney. Okay, the next item is this handheld vacuum cordless, which is something that was on my list forever, and I finally got one. And I love that it was, such a great deal during the Black Friday sale at Jcpenney. This one comes with a brush and an extension wand. So it's the perfect size for you to, clean up on your kitchen messes and little, pickups that you need to do. So definitely this one is a perfect gift as well if you're looking to buy a gift or you're looking for things for yourself. And this is another item that I wanted because I think it's perfect for entertaining during the holiday season. And this one is a s'more maker. And I think Jaden is gonna love this one, and the entire family when we have holiday gatherings. This is gonna be perfect. And it was so affordable, you guys. I got so many items for the kitchen because remember, I am getting a new kitchen, and during the holidays, we love to entertain so much that these items come in handy for that. This is a Cook's non-stick griddle, and you won't believe this was on Black Friday deal for only $12.99. And look at the size of this thing. This one is huge, and it's a 10 by 19. So it's perfect for this breakfast morning, or when you're hosting, you could just put things in here to keep them warm, tortillas, whatever you want to make, it is perfect for that. I also picked up things for myself, not just for the house. I picked up some really pretty jewelry, like these earrings, this little bracelet. I'm gonna put a close up here so you guys can see it. So guys, the last item I want to share with you from the Jcpenney Black Friday deals are towels. I know, bath towels, who's thinking of that? But you guys, the holiday season, what does that mean to you? a lot of guests coming, a lot of people coming to the house. So these are on sale for only $2.99, you guys. You need them in your life. They're super soft, and the regular price was $10, so they're like under $3. I picked up 6 of them to be ready for when my guests arrive. They have brand new towels. So that was everything for today's haul. Don't forget to check my description box and click on that link so you guys can start saving right now. Happy shopping. See you all on the next one. God bless.